Don't count the days, make the days count. So let's get started with this quote. So first of all, I would like to thanks our user Vipul Ahuja. He has helped me to solve that joystick problem. So for discussions, you can join our Telegram group also. I have shared the link in the description box also, and I have written in front of you also in the screen. So let's start with the problem. So this is a problem type with a joystick. I hope you have already read this problem. I will not waste time in reading this. So the logic number 1, which is shared by Vipul Ahuja, is you just have to print like this. Say this is A, then B, then C, D, C. Like this you have to proceed for the ABCD. For this what you have to do is you have to make the 5 rows and last one Z. So for doing this you have to print this code. For example, you have to write 0 0 first, then you have to write 0 1, then you have to write 0 2, then 0 3 and 0 4. After that you will start from that side only. 1 4, 1 3, 1 2, 1 1, 1 0. Then you have to do it again. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, and so on. You will continue, and after the 5 rows will be completed, the coordinate will be 4 space 4 space 4. After that you have to do what? You have to put that Z at 5 space 4. See, by using this logic you will get 95 point something something points. After I just manipulated one thing and put that 5 4 to 5 3. If you write this 5 3, if you write 5 4, then you will get 95.74 points. If you write last one Z as a 5 space 3, then you will get 96 98.3 points. After that I researched I tried one more thing. If you will do like this, then you will get some more points. If you can do this thing, A, then B, then C, then D. On the next line, what you have to do is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, Z. If you will print like this format, then you will get 99.55 points. 99.55 points you get through this. How you will print for this? You have to write first of all 1 0, then sorry. You have to write 0 1, then 0 2, then 0 3, then 0 4, then so on continue. You have to write with 1 1. So you have to print like this. I hope you have understand the logic. and I can show you the code. Showing the code is not allowed by HackerEarth, but still you can do just like this for using for loop. You can do first row, then second row, then third row, then fourth row. I hope you can do this, or if you have any doubt, if you were unable to solve this, you can ask me on Telegram group. I can share the code if you want on Telegram group. You can discuss your problems also there, and logics of these problems also. So I hope you all will join our Telegram group. That's Telegram group link is this t.me/Ravencourse. So I can show you the proof that I have submitted this problem. You can see it's submitted and I've got the 99.55 points. You can see it here also. Got 99.55 points in this one. Still I am not able to solve this quadratic equation problem. If anyone knows how to solve this, can share his logic on the Telegram group also, so I can share with the community. Thank you friends. I hope you will understand the solution of this problem. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to comment it out, or you can ask on the Telegram group also. Thank you. Have a nice day.